Hello, welcome back to another lesson. In this lesson, we'll be considering the virtual private networks. And this lesson is going to be explaining how secure tunnels protect data as it moves across untrusted networks. Virtual private networks, which are known to be VPNs, are widely used to protect traffic in transit, especially when networks cannot be trusted. So let's get right into it. What is the importance of VPNs? VPNs are important because not all networks are safe. Networks are often untrusted, public Wi-Fi exposes traffic, data can be intercepted while traveling, and VPNs add an important protection layer to protect our connection and communication. So what is a VPN? A VPN creates a protected path for data. It is a secure and encrypted tunnel. It is built over an untrusted network. It protects data in transit, and it is commonly used for remote access. So if you work in an organization that uses VPN, they will tell you that before you can connect to any of their resources, you have to just turn on your VPN. So that is the essence of a VPN. It is so that the communication and the connection can be secure. Now, what problem do VPNs solve? VPNs address common network risks. And here are some of the problems they solve. Unsafe public networks. So they help us when we are connected to unsafe public networks. Remote access to private systems. So with the help of VPNs, we can now remotely access private systems. Traffic interception threats. Yeah, VPN is protecting us against this. And lack of network trust. So with VPN, then we can communicate or connect directly to private systems, and to a good extent we are safe and our connection is secure. Let's now look at how VPNs work at a high level. VPNs protect traffic end to end. It starts from the user, so the user connects to a VPN server. After that, an encrypted tunnel is established. Then after that, all traffic flows through the tunnel. Then after that, the data is protected from interception. Let's now consider encryption in VPNs. Encryption is the core of VPN security. With the help of encryption, data is scrambled before transmission. Only VPN endpoints would be able to read the data, and eavesdropping is prevented. Also, confidentiality is preserved. Next, let's consider the types of VPNs we have. VPNs are deployed in different ways. So we have remote access VPNs, site-to-site VPNs, client-based VPNs, and network-level VPNs. So let's consider the remote access VPN. Remote access VPNs support individual users. They are used by remote workers. They provide secure access to internal networks. They require authentication, and they are common in modern organizations. Next, site-to-site VPN. Site-to-site VPNs connect networks. They link entire networks together. They are used between offices or data centers. Say, for instance, there's an office in a particular region and another branch of that office in another region. So site-to-site VPN can help us connect or link the offices together. Site-to-site VPNs work always on connections, and they operate transparently to users. Let's now consider the VPN protocol examples. VPNs rely on different protocols. We have the IPsec, we have the OpenVPN, we have the WireGuard, and each has performance and security trade-offs. What are the things that VPNs don't do? VPNs have important limitations, as good as they are. So what are the things they don't do? They do not make users anonymous, they do not clean infected devices, they do not stop phishing attacks, and they are not complete security solutions. So defense in depth should always be at the top of our minds always. Let's now consider VPNs and the CIA triad. VPNs support core security goals. Confidentiality is protected through encryption, integrity is protected through secure tunnels, availability is supported through reliable access, so we can say VPNs are strong network protection tools. What are the common VPN mistakes? Here are some of the common mistakes that we have for VPN. We have weak authentication, misconfigured split tunneling, outdated VPN software, and over-trusting VPN access. So when are VPNs most useful? VPNs shine in specific scenarios. Here are some of them. When we are using public Wi-Fi, it also helps in remote work context, so it supports remote work. It helps us when we are trying to access internal resources, and it helps in protecting data in transit. What have we learned so far in this lesson? This lesson explains the role of VPNs. We have seen that VPNs protect data in transit, they create encrypted tunnels, they reduce network risk, and they are one layer of security. Let's consider a test together. Here is the question. What is the primary security benefit provided by a VPN? Here are the options. Pause your video, read through the option, pick your answer and drop that in the comments, then come back to play the video. So what's your own answer? The correct answer is B, which is encrypted communication over untrusted networks. That's all for this lesson. If you're here to subscribe to our channel, please do that now. We have some more amazing videos to drop in the future. Also, do not forget to like, share, and comment. I personally would like to know what you feel about this particular lesson. Thank you so much and see you in the next lesson.